How to adjust the speed of video on YouTube Create. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the YouTube Create app on your device. If you do not have this app, you can get it from Play Store or App Store. Now, the first thing you have to do when you open the app is to log into your account. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to start a new project, or if you want to adjust the speed of your existing videos, you want to simply open your existing projects as well. However, if you want to add a new project, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. From here, you can select your video, then tap on the import option. Now, if you tap on this video, you're going to find different tools that you can use. If you want to slow down your video or speed up, you have the option of speed. Tap on this. Now over here you can increase or decrease the speed of the video as per your wish. If you want to increase the speed, you want to drag this slider to the right hand side. You can check the speed in the preview of the video at the top. If you want to slow it down, you want to drag the slider to the left hand side. And as you can see, the video is now slowing down. If you are not happy with your edit, you can tap on the reset option. That is going to revert this video back to normal. Now you want to adjust the speed, and once you have found the right speed, you can tap on the done option. And this is how you can adjust the speed of your video on YouTube Create. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.